Dan, do you feel lighter? I'm definitely getting lighter. I think I'm becoming immune to gravity.
Why is there a leopard on the Cheetos bag? Wait. It's a cheetah. Cheetah. Cheetos. There is so much beauty in the world.
Why do my wrists hurt?
'Cause you're lying on them.
How can you hear what I'm thinking?
Do you live here? Cause I can live here. This place is great. Hey, look! Oh, yeah! Someone picked out all my favorite stuff!
What? And this!
Cat food?
If I hold this, I won't float away.
Slående mest I luften under himlen.
Where are we gonna get that type of stuff? Chef was innocent.
We gotta save Jeff! Man, what's with all this traffic? We're never gonna get Jeff in time.
Is this right?
Oh, it's a checkpoint. These are a good thing. Keeps people from hurting each other. It's all about kindness. Wait a minute. Who is this?
Night Ranger, man. Night Ranger. Night Ranger.
Night Ranger. Wait a minute. Who is this?
Night Ranger.
Oh. Oh my God, we're high! Of course! When the barn burned, we became pawns in marijuana's mellow chess game.
Oh my God, we gotta get out of here!
I can't just abandon Jeff.
Jeff,
Of course, marijuana's, of course.
screw him! He's a loser! You don't care about him. Loser!
That's just it, Roger. I kinda
Loser!
do care.
That's just the weed talking.
Loser! No, I cared before that.
Loser!
He's so upbeat and friendly, even though he has such a terrible father. I had a crappy dad too. I guess in a way, Jeff and I are kindred spirits. Did you see that? The Indian?
Who, Kevin? Of course I saw him. We picked him up at the rest stop an hour ago.
Drop my
Loser! Stan, think about this. You're a loser agent. You get caught high, you lose everything. Loser!
Jeff's never had anyone looking out for him. And I'm not gonna let him down.
Good evening, sir. Have you been drinking?
Evening. Making things even.
Please step out of the car. Loser!